This is a screw banding tool. It is designed for tightening stainless steel bands using a screw-driven tension mechanism. The tool also features an integrated cutting lever, allowing you to trim the excess band after tensioning. For this installation, we will use stainless steel ear lock banding buckles. They are available in various sizes, matched to different band widths. Pull out the required length of stainless steel band from the cardboard dispenser and cut it cleanly using dedicated band cutting shears. To prepare the clamp, insert the band through the ear lock buckle and bend the band back over the buckle. For better shaping and positioning of the band on the buckle, use a hammer to bend the band firmly into place. Place the clamp around the demonstration pole and tighten the band by hand so it holds its position. Insert the free end of the band into the screw banding tool and turn the screw mechanism until resistance is felt. Use the cutting lever to remove the excess length of the band. Fold the remaining band end over the buckle and hammer the buckle ears inward to lock the clamp securely in place. The installation is now complete. The stainless steel band is firmly secured, and the clamp remains stable on the pole. For more installation tutorials and professional tool guides, subscribe to the LOOB channel.